Good evening, I'm Darlene Griffiths and this is my intro video. Just a little bit about myself. I've been married to my husband Dwayne for almost 21 years. We are going to celebrate our 20th anniversary by going on a cruise that was postponed due to COVID, so I'm looking forward to that. We're going to go to Alaska. We have two sons. Our oldest is a freshman at North Central Kansas Technical College, where he's studying to be a plumber. Our second son is a 7th grader here at Harrington, and he enjoys football. He does archery here and wrestles. So we are busy all the time. Just a little bit about my education background. I started teaching at Harrington many moons ago. I taught there for 21 years, and then I finished my master's degree from Fort Hays in administration, and so I took a job with Concordia USD 333 as their MTSS testing director, CTE coordinator, and ELL language director. And after the first year, I did so well that they added to my plate middle school principal. So in addition to those things, I was also the middle school principal for a year. My family during that time stayed in Harrington, so I was commuting back and forth. And so when a job opened up here close to Harrington at White City, I applied. And so this is my first year as the White City principal. And I had just barely started in July when the superintendent came to me and said, "I think you would be a good superintendent. You ought to think about taking classes." I thought, well, yeah, I could try that. So I enrolled in some classes and got started. And a few months later, he comes to me and says, "I think I'm going to retire at the end of this year. How fast can you get those classes done?" So now it's crunch time, and I need to get these classes done before he retires at the end of June. So I went to the board meeting in January, and in a 15-minute executive session, they asked me some questions and hired me as the next superintendent for USD 481, pending that I finish my classes, take the praxis exam, and get my license. So a lot of things riding on all of this happening fairly quickly. So that's just a little bit about me. No pressure here to get all this done. I had 2 classes this past fall and summer. So I have 2 classes this semester, take the praxis in April, 2 classes this summer, and then apply for my license. So get ready, set, go. It is crunch time for sure. So good luck to all of you. I hope to hear all the different activities that you are involved in as you work toward becoming a superintendent as well. All right, thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon.